I am going to clean out this dryer vent. It has been cleared for years. Make sure there's no buildup because you want to make sure it's efficient. If it's clogged up, two issues. It's not going to dry because it's clogged up, because the venting is blocked. And secondarily, it can cause a fire in the vent. Again, this is a gas dryer, so you definitely want to do that right. So I'm going to pull this out, hook up a leaf blower, and shoot out the lint. So here we go, hang on tight. You can see right here, this is the one long vent, but there's a lot of crud in it. So we're definitely gonna blow this out outside. So that's one thing. A leaf blower will blow it out, see what it does.
Yeah, ready?
There's still crud in there.
Maybe you try.
Maybe we'll go the other direction.
Yeah.
But there's definitely crud. Not too much crud, but it's crud. In the vent now on this end. Go ahead, Jesse.
Ready?
Go ahead. Whoa. Bunch of crud. Okay, stop. Stop.
So loud I can't hear it.
Some crud. That's how much came out, which is not too bad, but you want to make sure it's not clogged. And I ended up putting a scraper in here to get the rest of this stuff, which isn't too bad. So yeah, go ahead and make sure you maintenance your dryer vent. Another thing I found was inside the venting in the dryer itself was this. I think maybe the lint trap was full and it just built up inside, because that's hair, and I don't think the hair would be picked up through the lint trap should have picked up the hair. But yeah, that's nasty.